Introducing the 2007 Chevrolet Malibu. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill up your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. A vehicle history report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information, is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.